Welcome to our channel. Auditing online courses through free trial periods helps you find the right learning platform. Follow these step-by-step instructions to try courses for free. Step 1. Identify platforms that offer free trials. Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, Skillshare, and Masterclass all provide trial periods ranging from 7 to 30 days. Step 2. Visit the platform's website and look for free trial or try free buttons. Read the terms to understand what's included and when charges begin. Step 3. Sign up with your email and create a strong password. Some platforms may require payment information up front, even for free trials. Step 4. Browse the course catalog and add classes to your learning queue. Prioritize courses you're most interested in to maximize your trial period. Step 5. Start with shorter courses or specific modules. This allows you to complete multiple courses and get a better sense of the platform's quality. Step 6. Take notes and evaluate the teaching style, course structure, and content quality. Determine if the platform matches your learning preferences. Step 7. Test all platform features, including downloads, certificates, community forums, and mobile app functionality during your trial. Step 8. Cancel before the trial ends if you're not satisfied, or keep the subscription if you found valuable courses. Set a calendar reminder to avoid unwanted charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.